Hi, good afternoon, and welcome to the Token Metrics Technical Analysis Conference Call. Today, we're covering Ethereum, and we're going to go through this from both a chart and a thematic point of view. All right, so let's just start with a quick daily chart. So right here, we're looking at Ethereum daily, okay? And here are the highlights. So during this year, I'm sure all Ethereum fans are familiar, unfortunately, with the bear market that we believe has concluded with this 5-wave structure. So in English, in Elliott wave, a trend is complete when it has 5 parts. So we think that the Ethereum downtrend is over, all right? And then we also think that a new uptrend may be starting, okay? And here's why. So we have this black line represents the 200-day moving average. All right. Now, moving averages don't always mean something in crypto. They're more important for equities, but here's why we're going to take a chance and use it right now. If you look at the events in Saudi Arabia, if you look at the fact that the Federal Reserve is having to pump huge amounts of money into the financial system as a result of that event to create panic. You know, that's not something you're going to see on crypto Twitter, but it is out there on the blogosphere, and it is a real serious issue. When you have that kind of stress, we simply think that that investors out there are going to be looking for alternative currencies. So when we see a big currency like Ethereum take out its 200-day moving average, okay, we're taking note. Now, I know we have some wicks here on these candlesticks, meaning Ethereum lurches up and then comes back, but you know what? That's okay. That's all right. Because a lot of times when you have a moving average like this, you break out and then you come back and retest it, right? So if the moving average is at 206 and it lurches higher and then it comes back and retests 206 and holds, that could be a very bullish sign going forward. All right, so that's sort of a tactical read. I want to do another little item on the tactical read, and it also relates to the big picture in Ethereum. Okay, and we're going to have to go to the 2-day chart for this, so bear with me while I switch the charts up. Okay, now, one interesting thing you're going to see is that we've got a good old-fashioned trend line drawn from the absolute top in Ethereum up to the spike high in June. And what you can see down here is that Ethereum on its 2-day chart is popping its way above this trend line, okay? This is leading us to a sort of small conclusion, and then we're going to take a bigger leap. The small conclusion is that big coins like Ethereum can rally. Even smaller coins like alts can come along, but we think it's like big coin season, not Bitcoin, although we think that's going up too, but the big coins underneath Bitcoin, we think their time has come. All right, now going back to sort of the tactical read so we can stay, disciplined and objective. We like this 206 as a short-term support. If we saw it hold there rather, that'd be great. Really a serious confirmed like major bottom would be in if Ethereum takes out 240. All right, and regardless of whether Ethereum is in a new bull market or whether this is just sort of a correction or a correction of a slump, we think Ethereum can definitely hit 240. And if it takes that out, you're looking at much higher prices going forward. All right, so that concludes the Ethereum update for today. Stay tuned with Token Metrics. We're going to be doing this 3 days a week, and we've got our Sunday live show. So stay with us, and we'll keep you in the game when it comes to crypto. I'm Bill Noble. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.